Hello guys, today we'll see how to open the laptop and can we use those components for the external purpose. This is my Toshiba laptop. Here we can see here, and here we go and open it. Okay, I'm using the screwdriver. Just by using this screwdriver we can open all the components. This is the battery of capacity. Here we can see here 4400
mAh capacity.
I'm keeping it over here, and this is the two compartments are available here. This is the hard disk drive compartment. Okay, this is the hard disk drive. Here we can see this is a 500 GB hard disk drive. This is the RAM cabin. Here we are having two screws. I'm opening. We'll see. We can interchange or replace the RAM in this cabin. Okay, yeah, this is the RAM cabin. Here we can see these are the two RAM slots. We can see here we can open by simply we can open. This is the hard disk drive. Let we all check, and once we are try to open it, we have to push it right side. We can open here. This is the hard disk drive of my laptop. Here we can see using this we can connect to external laptop or mobile also.
Capacity of
500 GB. You can see here. This is the by this we can use for the external purpose also. This is the RAM slots. We can see. Let me check and open once. By pushing over here, we can get this. This is the RAM slot 1. This is the first RAM. There are internal and external ports over here. We can check. This is having a capacity of 2 GB. Let me check Kingston. We can check Kingston. We can check another also. Same. Okay, this is also having the capacity of 2 GB. Kingston. Same. If we have any problem with this, we can replace. Simply we can replace this RAMs. I'm keeping it as it is. Just for the sake of knowledge, I'm opening this. That's it. There is no problem with this in my laptop. This is the hard disk drive. I'm keeping it as it is, as there is no issue with the hard disk drive. Okay. If you have any requirements for the extending the external storage, we can use this hard disk drive. Just simply we can open the laptop and open the hard disk drive, and by using the SATA cable we can extend the capacity of the storage memory. And In my next video, I will show how to connect hard disk drive to a laptop or a mobile also. With the SATA cable, how to connect we will see in the next video. I'm keeping as it is. I'm closing the cabin of RAM. Okay. Next, okay, I'm keeping the battery as it is. We'll check once whether the hard disk is showing in laptop or not. Okay, I'm opening on the laptop, turning on. Meanwhile, if you like the content, please give a like and comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.